Hi everyone, so today we are learning all about the short E-words.
Words by a scavenger hunt.
First, we'll start off with the scavenger hunt. So, this is what we're going to do. Okay, ready? So, to start off, alright Sahil, let's go ahead and sound out each letter. So,
Na. Na.
Again.
Hen.
Hen. Good job. Go ahead and find it. Hen?
Yeah.
Hey, you found hen. Now let's do the next one. Ready?
Yeah. Go. Leg.
Leg. Go ahead and find leg.
Here?
You found it?
Yeah. Hey. Why not take it out?
Take it out. Okay, show it to the camera. Show it to me. Let's go ahead and do the next one. Go ahead.
Net.
Net. All right. Good job. All right. The next one. Red. Red. Good
You're
job.
not gonna find it?
Let's do a couple more. Okay, Sahil, the next one. Go ahead. Good.
Jet.
Jet. All right. Good job. Okay, Sahil, go ahead. Okay, closer.
10.
Good. 10. Good job. Go ahead and find a number 10. And our last one. Go ahead.
Bed.
Bed. Go ahead and find bed. Now we will go ahead and look at some word families for short E words. Let's get started. So the first word families is N. N family words. So hen.
Ten.
That's a D, so it's
Den. Men. Pen. And Ben.
Good job. All right. So the next family words, we're going to go ahead and do the et. The et family words. So wet.
Jet.
That's a G.
Get.
Bet.
Let. Net.
Excellent. All right, Sahil, ready? Ed family words.
Bed.
That's a L.
Led. Wed. Fed. Bread. Ned.
Good job. Okay, and our last is egg family words.
Egg.
That's a B, so
beg,
it's beg.
Leg. Peg. Meg.
Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and create some sentences with short E words. Can you create a sentence?
Ned went to bed.
Nice. Can you create a sentence? Make sure to look at the picture.
Meg
has
a red hen.
Nice job. Can you create a sentence? Look for clues in the picture.
Ben gets a toy jet.
Can you create a sentence?
Ken has 10 cars.
Do you have a favorite car?
Yeah.
Which one?
My car is
the black one?
These two.
Oh, the yellow and the red.
Yeah.
Cool. And lastly, we will go ahead and read some short stories with E-words. Let's get started.
Ted.
In this story, we will focus on the Ed family. Ted. Ted is hungry. His mom gave him a red bib. He was fed eggs. His mom led him to the bed. Good night, Ted. Go ahead and pause the video and point to all of the Ed family words.
Ted, red, fed, led,
And
bed.
okay, go ahead and find them. Good luck. In your notebooks, list all Ed family words. Number 2, what did Ted eat? Number 3, what color is Ted's bib? All right, go ahead and say the answers.
Ted, red, fed, led, bed.
What did Ted eat?
Eggs.
Go ahead and say Ted.
Ted
ate
eggs.
What color is Ted's bib?
Ted's bib is red.
Beautiful. Our next story, we will focus on the Et family words. Jet. I am a blue jet. I am super wet. I wish I had a net. I bet I need to get out of the way. Let's go. Zoom. Go ahead, pause the video, and point to all of the Et family words. Can you find them in this story? Good luck. In your notebooks, list all the Et family words. Number 2, what color is jet? All right, list all of the Et family words.
Jet, wet, net,
Bet,
get, let.
What color is jet?
Blue.
I need you to say it in this full sentence. So say, jet is
blue.
The
blue.
Color blue.
Color blue.
Good boy. The next story, we will focus on the N family words. The red hen. Lola is a red hen. She likes to play in her pen. She lays 10 eggs. Jen takes the eggs to the farmer. Good job, Lola, says the farmer. Go ahead and pause the video and point to all of the N family words. Also, find them in this story. Good luck! In your notebooks, list all N family words. Number 2, how many eggs does Lola lay? What are the N family words?
10, 10, and Jen.
Jen. How many eggs does Lola lay? Lola
10.
lays 10 eggs. Good job. For the next activity, read and find words. Make sure to pause the video and point to the correct picture.
Again?
Yeah, we're going to do it together. We'll pause the video, okay?
I don't know.
Fill in the blank. Please choose the correct word to complete the sentence. So go ahead. I
write with a pen.
Good. Not a pan, right?
No.
Okay, next one.
My
pet
got wet.
Okay, the last one.
Jen found a gem.
A gem. What's a gem?
A diamond.
It's like a diamond. Good. So we hope you enjoyed our short E-words. Go out there and do a scavenger hunt.
Bye.